for just £1.97.
£1.97? Are you sure?
Don't question me, goddammit. Finished in the genuine championship white, this is the ultimate pocket rocket for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. This car is as pure and as unspoiled as Honda intended, only better, and here's why. Meister are coilovers, refurbished alloys wrapped in Yokohamas. A strut brace to keep things tight, just like it rolled out of the factory for the very first time. She has an AEM V2 induction kit and a full stainless exhaust system. A soundtrack worthy of an orchestra with a few extra decibels. Inside we have a double DIN head unit and the very impressive red Recaro seat cover. Red mats, red trim. Hey, it's like having your very own red room on wheels. This EK9 is a rare gem, getting harder and harder to find in such immaculate condition. So for £1.97, a wee pocket rocket for pocket change. LuckyDayCompetitions.com. Get your tickets bought.